Now, I know that getting up in the morning is the absolute worst, having to leave your warm bed and comfy pillow, but have no fear because I am going to show you how to have the perfect morning routine. In order to have a great day, as Dr. Nito Cubain would say, you need to have the perfect morning routine. To start your morning off right, get up and resist that urge to press the snooze button. Also, take a second to notice the beautiful nature right outside your window and hear the joyful birds chirp. Then, stand up and take a big stretch. Stretching helps with waking up your muscles and getting your blood flowing. I would also say that you should do some yoga, but I know the guys will think of that as a joke. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, you are halfway there. After you are done stretching, go into the kitchen and make yourself some breakfast and pour yourself a nice big cup of coffee or tea. After that, turn on some upbeat music to brush your teeth and wash your face too. Next, pick out a snazzy outfit. When you look good, you feel good. Then, brush your hair out. Girls, put on some makeup, and guys, style your hair nice. Before you leave, make your bed so that your room is all clean for when you return. Check your email and make sure that you didn't miss anything from last night. When you are done with that, pack your backpack up and head to class. And voila, you just had the perfect morning and are ready to go out there and challenge the world.